Tap water in 2025 might look clear, but that doesn't mean it's clean. With aging infrastructure, rising concerns about chemical runoff, and the growing presence of microplastics, having a reliable water filter at home isn't just smart, it's essential. Whether you're cooking, making coffee, or just staying hydrated, a good filter can make a real difference in taste and peace of mind. In this video, we're ranking the top 6 best water filters for tap water. From simple faucet attachments to powerful reverse osmosis systems, product links for everything mentioned are included in the description below. Number 6. Brita faucet-mounted filter system. If you want better tasting water without committing to a large setup, the Brita faucet-mounted filter is one of the simplest ways to start. It attaches directly to most standard kitchen faucets, making it a great fit for renters, students, or anyone who needs a no-fuss solution. There's no permanent installation, just snap it on and start filtering. This compact unit filters out chlorine, lead, asbestos, and other particulates commonly found in tap water. It also includes a built-in status indicator, so you'll know exactly when it's time to replace the filter. Brita recommends changing it roughly every 100 gallons or about every 2 to 3 months depending on usage. One handy feature is the 3 spray settings: filtered water, unfiltered stream, and unfiltered spray, useful for switching between drinking and cleaning. The filter uses Brita's standard replacement cartridges, which are widely available and easy to change. It's ideal for individuals or small households that need a quick way to improve water quality. If you live in an apartment or dorm, or just don't want to install anything under the sink, this is an easy solution that gets the job done. Setup takes less than 5 minutes and no tools are required. That said, it's not compatible with all faucets, especially pull-down or spray-style models. The flow rate also drops noticeably once the filter is active, and while functional, the plastic housing doesn't feel as durable as other options on this list. Still, if you're looking for a simple, affordable entry point, the Brita faucet filter is a strong starting choice. Number 5. PUR Faucet-Mounted Filter FM2500V+. If you're looking for a step up in filtration performance but still want something that attaches easily to your faucet, the PUR FM2500V, also known as the PUR Plus, is worth a closer look. It's similar in design to the Brita model but offers stronger contaminant reduction and a sleeker look, especially if you opt for the chrome finish. The PUR Plus uses its proprietary Maxion filter technology, which combines activated carbon and ion exchange to remove over 70 contaminants. That includes lead, mercury, pesticides, chlorine, and more, making it one of the most capable faucet filters in its category. The filter lasts around 100 gallons depending on use, and the unit features a simple click-on installation. Its vertical layout saves space around your sink, and the quick switch lever lets you toggle between filtered and unfiltered water instantly. This model works well for renters, small families, or anyone who wants better filtration but isn't ready for an under-sink system. It's especially useful if you cook often and want filtered water for both drinking and food prep. No tools are needed for installation, and replacing the filter is straightforward. On the downside, it may not fit every faucet, especially designer or pull-out styles. Filter replacements can become costly over time if you use it frequently. A few users have also noted occasional minor leaks, often due to wear on the connectors. Still, for a faucet-mounted solution that delivers higher performance without a major install, the PUR Plus hits a strong middle ground. Number 4. PUR Plus 11 Cup Pitcher. If you prefer chilled, filtered water straight from the fridge, the PUR Plus 11 Cup Pitcher offers a practical and portable solution. This gravity-fed filter requires no tools, no installation, and no plumbing. Just fill it up and let it do its job. With enough capacity for up to 11 cups, it's a good fit for families or shared households. The PUR Plus pitcher filters out lead, mercury, chlorine, microplastics, and even traces of certain pharmaceuticals. It uses PUR's enhanced filter cartridges, which are available in both standard and lead-reducing versions. The slim, tall design slides easily into most fridge doors and shelves, and the built-in LED filter status light helps you track when it's time for a replacement. On average, each filter lasts about 40 gallons, which is typically 1 to 2 months for a family. This pitcher is a great option for anyone who drinks a lot of cold water throughout the day. Since it doesn't require installation or sink space, it's also ideal for offices, dorms, or homes with limited kitchen access. Just pour, refrigerate, and enjoy cleaner-tasting water anytime. However, filtration is slower compared to faucet-mounted or under-sink systems. You'll also need to refill the pitcher regularly, especially if multiple people are using it daily. The filters have a shorter lifespan than faucet models, which can add to the maintenance over time. Still, for straightforward, fridge-friendly filtration that doesn't involve any setup, the PUR Plus 11 Cup Pitcher is a dependable everyday choice. Number 3. ZeroWater 10 Cup 5-Stage Pitcher. The ZeroWater 10-cup pitcher stands out from other gravity-fed filters thanks to its advanced 5-stage filtration system and total dissolved solids (TDS) removal. Unlike Brita or PUR, which primarily use activated carbon, ZeroWater includes ion exchange technology, giving it a noticeable edge when it comes to purity. It's especially useful if your water has a metallic taste or elevated TDS levels. This pitcher is certified to reduce lead, chromium fluoride, and a broad range of dissolved solids that many other filters don't touch. One key feature is the free TDS meter included in the box, allowing you to test your water before and after filtering. The BPA-free reservoir holds up to 10 cups and features a convenient push-to-dispense spout near the base. Filter lifespan depends on how contaminated your source water is, but generally ranges from 20 to 40 gallons before needing replacement. It's an excellent choice for users who want hard data to back up what their filter is doing. People dealing with mineral-heavy or foul-tasting water will see the biggest benefit. The compact design also fits well in a fridge and requires no installation. That said, filters may clog more quickly in areas with very high TDS, and their replacement cartridges are more expensive than standard Brita or PUR ones. Some users also feel the plastic housing feels a bit lightweight for the price. But if your goal is getting the cleanest, crispest tasting water from a pitcher, ZeroWater is hard to beat, especially if you want to see the difference for yourself. Number 2. iSpring RCC7 Under-Sink RO System. For those looking to upgrade their water filtration beyond pitchers and faucet attachments, the iSpring RCC7 offers full-scale under-sink reverse osmosis performance. Designed for long-term use, this multi-stage system provides clean, purified water right at your kitchen tap, making it a smart investment for daily cooking, drinking, and more. The RCC7 uses a 5-stage process to remove up to 99% of over 1,000 contaminants, including lead, arsenic, fluoride, chlorine, and VOCs. It's built with NSF-certified components and includes a dedicated faucet along with a 3.2-gallon pressurized storage tank. You'll find sediment and carbon block filters up front, followed by the RO membrane, and then a final carbon stage to polish the water. It can produce up to 75 gallons of filtered water per day, and filter replacements are needed roughly every 6 to 12 months depending on your water quality and usage. This system is ideal for homeowners or long-term renters who want high-quality water for drinking, cooking, and even making coffee or baby formula. It's also well-suited to users who enjoy the ability to tweak or expand their setup. iSpring offers a wide range of upgrade options and replacement parts. However, installation takes more effort than faucet filters or pitchers. You'll either need some DIY plumbing skills or the help of a professional. Dispensing is slower compared to unfiltered taps due to the RO process. And like most reverse osmosis systems, it generates wastewater, about 3 gallons for every 1 gallon of purified water. Still, for performance and value, the iSpring RCC7 remains one of the most trusted under-sink RO systems on the market. Number 1. AquaTru Countertop Reverse Osmosis System. Topping our list is the AquaTru Countertop RO System, a plug-in solution that brings reverse osmosis power to your kitchen without the hassle of plumbing or permanent installation. It's the most advanced and user-friendly option here, combining serious filtration performance with a clean, modern design. AquaTru uses a 4-stage filtration system that includes a mechanical pre-filter, carbon block filter, RO membrane, and VOC carbon filter. Together, they remove over 80 contaminants including lead, PFAS, arsenic, chlorine, and fluoride. The system has a 1-gallon tank and a separate clean water reservoir so you can filter a full batch at once and store it for later use. Filter changes are simple thanks to a twist-off design, and the machine includes built-in indicators that alert you when it's time to replace them. All filters and components are certified to NSF standards for safety and performance. It's an ideal setup for apartment dwellers, renters, or families that want RO-level water quality without modifying their plumbing. Because it's fully self-contained and portable, you can take it with you if you move. It's also a great fit for high-use kitchens that go through a lot of filtered water each day. The trade-off is a higher upfront cost compared to pitchers or faucet filters. It also takes up counter space and needs to be plugged in. The tank must be refilled manually, which adds a step to your routine. Still, if you're after pure, great-tasting water with no installation and minimal maintenance, AquaTru makes it simple. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 water filters for tap water in 2025. Whether you're after something compact and convenient or a more advanced reverse osmosis system, there's a filter here that fits your needs and budget. All product links are listed in the description below if you want to learn more or check current pricing. Let us know in the comments which one you're considering, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.